Hello everyone, today we're going to print a resistor using a spare leftover filament, and it's extremely simple. It's actually just a stick and two halves, and it's assembled ESO, and that's as simple as that. Files are available on printables.com. The link is below. The colors I chose are a bit silly. Blue is 6, green is 5, red is 100 factor, gold is 5% tolerance. So my actual resistor would be 65.5 kilo ohm, which is a bit silly, but it was fun to print and it was leftover filament. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.